Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a wise old man named Grandpa Ravi. Every day, children from the village would gather around him to listen to his stories. One day, a little boy named Arjun came to Grandpa Ravi, feeling very sad. "Grandpa," Arjun said, "I tried to help my friend with his schoolwork, but he got angry at me. Now, I feel like I shouldn't help anyone anymore." Grandpa Ravi smiled and said, "Arjun, let me tell you a story. There was once a farmer who had a large field. He worked hard every day, planting seeds and watering them. But one day, a big storm came and destroyed half of his crops. The farmer was very sad and thought, 'Why should I bother planting seeds again if a storm will just ruin them?' But then, the farmer remembered how much he loved working in the field and how happy it made him to see his crops grow. So, he decided to plant more seeds, even though he knew storms might come again. The next season, the crops grew even stronger and healthier than before. The farmer realized that if he had given up, he would have missed out on this wonderful harvest. Grandpa Ravi looked at Arjun and said, "The lesson here, Arjun, is that just because things don't go as planned, doesn't mean you should stop doing what's good. Helping others is like planting seeds. Sometimes, it may not go well, but if you keep trying, you'll see the good you can grow." Arjun smiled and thanked Grandpa Ravi. He decided he wouldn't give up on helping others, even if it didn't always work out perfectly, and from that day on, Arjun learned that kindness and perseverance always bring